Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys take your time and tuning into my YouTube channel. So in today's video, this is one of the videos that I should have uploaded, I think last week. But I couldn't upload it because I lost part of the footage of this video, so it was not going to be complete without the other part. So I accidentally formatted the SD card, and I'm not sure on which SD card I recorded the footage, so it's just going to be a challenge even if I try to recover it. So anyway, I decided to record, and this is the video now. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you my MacBook Pro, like I promised last week that I'm going to be getting a MacBook. So it's finally here after such a long wait. But anyway, I'm so excited to have this MacBook with me here. So without any waste of time, let's run down this video. So the MacBook that I'm talking about, it's this one right here in front of me, which I'm gonna be using it from now onwards. But I haven't started calling it my daily driver because I'm still running some of the application on my Windows HP computer, which is mainly on the database side, which I haven't found a way around it on the MacBook. But I think eventually I'm gonna find a way, or else I might have to keep HP in the Mac, or I might have to get something just to run my Microsoft SQL database, which I mainly use it for my work purposes. So, but without any waste of time, let me just give you the rundown of this MacBook. So this is late 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch with a touch bar and a touch ID. So this is almost, especially in South Africa, this is almost top of the range, because I think top of the range has 3.8 gigahertz processor, which mine has like 2.8 gigahertz processor, but we'll get to that. I ordered two of these, and then the other one hasn't been delivered because it was special requirements. That's what they call it at Apple. So I wanted one with terabyte and with 1 terabyte storage, and then they told me that they don't sell that in the country. You have to pre-order it. They will order it for me. So the other one is still coming, and I'll show you two guys as soon as it gets here. But with the one that I have and the one that I'm going to be using, this one, starting looking at the features around it, it is a 15-inch retina display, which is pretty good compared to that one, which is, it's an LED screen on my HP, but however it's not as good and clear as this. You know how Apple they are with their products when it comes to the display. So this screen is very good, and then it comes in with the 720p HD webcam, and then it has a touch bar, which I found this thing it works perfectly when it comes to adjusting audio. And then when you want to escape, you want to change into things, you want to try, you want to accept things, you don't have to go and find or click and move around your mouse. You just have to click there. It actually prompts you whatever command needs your action on the screen. You can actually execute it on the touch bar, which is very good. And then another thing which is very interesting that I found, wow, is the touch bar on the MacBook. The touch bar, where on the other computers or on the PC they call it fingerprint reader, but this one, it's very fast. It's very fast. The combination of the touch bar and the touch ID on the MacBook, I don't know, it just makes the whole Apple computers like a killer. It kills everything. I mean, just to unlock your computer, you just put a finger, and then just like that, it's very quick. I really love the combination of the two things. And then it has this nice and soft keyboard, which I really found it easy to work with. And another thing that I found interesting is the speakers. The speakers on this MacBook, they are very loud. They are very loud. I got a feeling that I need to compare them with my JBL Go speaker. I found that the bass and the quality of the sound, it's so rich and it's so quality. And wow, I don't know, I can't stop marveling at this great device. And then, you know, obviously with Apple, you find this huge touch bar that I don't know what is it for, but yeah, it's just quite huge. It takes almost half of this part of the MacBook, which anyway, it works, it responds, it's very efficient. And yeah, so let me give you the rundown of the specs that are inside this Mac, and I think that's how we'll wrap it out the video. And then on my next video, I'll show you guys how my experience has been. So like I said, so when I got this MacBook, it had macOS High Sierra, which I downloaded the Mojave, but it failed. and I didn't know that I had to delete that corrupt copy so that I can re-download. So I had to call Pedro, my friend, and then he told me like, no, delete the current one and then re-download it. And then eventually I managed to upgrade it, so it's running version 10.14.3, and then it's like I said, MacBook Pro 15-inch 2018, and then it comes with a processor of 2.6 gigahertz. No, it's not 2.8, so it's 2.6 gigahertz Intel Core i7, and then it has a memory of 16 gig with 2400 megahertz, which is a DDR4, and then it comes with the Intel UHD graphics card 630 with 1536 MB. And yeah, that's pretty much about internal storage, and I haven't filled it up with anything. I think I'm still waiting to activate my Final Cut Pro license, which is gonna be in about a week or so. I think it's gonna happen when the next Mac arrive. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I think 2 to 3 weeks from here. But I think I should be able to give you guys a rundown as to how this machine works when it comes to productivity. I haven't edited any video on it. I haven't edited any picture or anything at all. The only thing that I've been working on is just my emails and browsing the internet. I also tried doing the live streaming using this Mac, where I connected one of my 2 cameras wirelessly, which I found it very funny and interesting. However, just an issue was around the speed. The speed between the camera and the computer was very low. However, the sound transmission was very good, which was impressive. So I'm gonna give you guys a feedback after let's say what 2 weeks from now. Let me work a bit on it, and then let me try to see if I can do some of the function that I was doing on my daily driver, which is still with me. So I'm not sure if this will be able to stand and replace my daily driver, but I don't see any reason why not. Besides running the Windows application that only runs on the Windows computer, this should be able to do it. So this MacBook, wow, I don't know, in terms of performance, I'm very impressed, and in terms of the response. And another thing just around it, in terms of the ports. So on this MacBook, there's only 4 ports, which are all the same. So it's USB Type-C, which is 2 on the left-hand side, and they're all Thunderbolt, which means you can use any of them to charge, you can use any of them to transmit. So even on the right-hand side of the MacBook, you have another 2 Thunderbolt Type-C connectors and one 3.5 millimeter jack for audio, and then that's pretty much around the device. So if I want to do anything, which is one of the things that's kind of like stopping me from using the device at the moment, is because of this dongle. So the only thing that goes in here so far, it's only the charger, which I still need to get a dongle that will enable me to connect my SD cards, because at the moment, if I want to get anything here, I have to use iCloud. So I will copy something from the SD card into my daily driver, from my daily driver into the cloud, which makes the process very long. So I'm gonna have to get the dongle, which I will connect here, and then it will be able to give me, I will like to get the one with normal USB, and then another Type-C within the same dongle, as well as audio, and if possible, maybe with the Ethernet port, but we'll see as it goes. But it works well with the Wi-Fi, and it works well with the whole Apple ecosystem. So like I said, I'm building my ecosystem. This is one of the devices that's going into my ecosystem. So I've got a MacBook, iPad mini, AirPods, I've got 2 iPhone 6 and iPhone 10s, and I think I should be getting iPhone XR in a month or so. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to rate, like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.